Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Roblox to Discord. Alright, so let's begin. First, go to your settings on Discord. Scroll down and find the Activity Privacy section. Here, you'll see several options related to sharing your activity. Enable the option that says, Share your activity status. This setting allows Discord to automatically display the game you're playing to others. It works not only with Roblox, but also with many other games. Additionally, enable Share Your Activity Status by default when joining large servers. This ensures that your activity is visible when you join large servers without needing to adjust settings each time. With these settings enabled, the next time you launch and play a game like Roblox, your friends and others in your Discord server will easily see what game you're playing. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.